Calgary is a location that most people have at least heard of before, even if they don't know exactly what the city is famous for. The city of Calgary is situated in the western Canadian province of Alberta, in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, with its center located at the junction of the Bow and Elbow rivers. Calgary is a dynamic city. Its picturesque prairie landscapes and a vibrant urban center. Its entrepreneurial energy and living in the moment. Its cowboy spirit, but also refined and cosmopolitan. Calgary, nestled in the foothills of the majestic Canadian Rocky Mountains, offering visitors alternating views of rugged mountain peaks and golden, rolling prairies. Calgary also has beautiful weather, with the most days of sunshine per year than any other major Canadian city. The population of Calgary is around 1.3 million, making it the third largest municipality and fourth largest metropolitan area in Canada. Calgary is a city full of remarkable experiences, and Calgarians are always eager to share their favorite places to explore. In the summer, biking or walking are practical ways to explore the city. Calgary has an extensive system of cycle paths and walkways that you can navigate to see all of the main attractions. The city was designed as a grid with numbered streets, making it easy to figure out which direction you're headed in.